Good morning. Today is Wednesday, April 17, 2024, and here are the 10:30 a.m. STL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the STL Story 3 10:30 a.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Wednesday, April 17, 2024. Here are the SL Story 3 10:30 a.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for April 17, 2024, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Wednesday, April 17, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.